Identify your target audience. Understand who your potential customers are and what they're interested in. This will help you tailor your content and marketing strategies effectively. Choose your digital products. Determine which digital products you want to sell. This could include eBooks, online courses, webinars, software, or any other digital content. Set up an online store or website. Create a platform where customers can purchase your digital products easily. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Gumroad. Optimize your website for mobile devices. Since most social media users access platforms via mobile, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Create high-quality content. Produce engaging and informative content related to your digital products. This will help attract potential customers and establish your authority in the niche. Build a strong social media presence. Create profiles on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and start sharing valuable content regularly. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and direct messages, DMs from your followers. This helps build trust and loyalty. Share teaser content. Share snippets or previews of your digital products to pique the interest of your followers. Use hashtags effectively. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase your content's visibility. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your digital products to their followers. Run social media ads. Utilize Facebook and Instagram ads to target potential customers based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Offer promotions and discounts. Encourage impulse purchases by offering limited-time promotions and discounts on your digital products. Use storytelling techniques. Share personal stories or case studies that demonstrate how your digital products have helped others. Create engaging video content. Utilize TikTok's short-form video format to showcase your digital products in an entertaining and informative way. Host live Q&A sessions. Engage with your audience by hosting live sessions where they can ask questions about your digital products. Leverage user-generated content. Share testimonials, reviews, or photos from satisfied customers to build social proof. Cross-promote your social media profiles. Share links to your social media profiles on your website and vice versa. Monitor and analyze your performance. Use social media analytics tools to track your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. Provide excellent customer support. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and concerns to ensure a positive buying experience. Continuously improve and update your products. Keep your digital products up to date and relevant to maintain customer satisfaction and attract new buyers.